Let me show you how we made 1,000 USDT's profits with crypto arbitrage trading. So you might be wondering on how you can make profits by buying low on a centralized platform and selling high on a decentralized platform. Actually, you don't have to withdraw your profits. They will be sent direct to your Binance account. So we are buying low on Binance, selling high on Tranquilly, but the merchant sends the profits direct to your Binance account. So watch to the end and make sure you comment crypto arbitrage trading. You might get free funding, and the link in my bio gives you access to free classes. So right now, you know how arbitrage works. You know how to buy your assets via P2P, that is the cryptocurrency. Then you know how to transfer the funds to your Tranquilly. So this is where you trade your arbitrage and you make good profits. So you come on P2P arbitrage, just click on the three dashes and make sure your Tranquilly is funded, best capital 200 USDTs and above. Then your email and KYC also should be verified in every crypto account. Then scroll down and click on P2P arbitrage. Click on sell because we are selling. We can sell with this guy with a rate of 1.41. So we will just enter our amount. As you can see, for him, it is the minimum amount is 53 USDTs for arbitrage trading. So we wanna trade with 100 and receive these funds direct to our Binance account. So what shall we do? We just go to Binance. So we copy the address. We don't use the address for Tranquilly because our arbitrage profits will be sent direct to our Binance account. So I'll just come here and click on add funds, click on deposit so that I can get the address. I click on USDT, that is the cryptocurrency. The network is TRC20. I copy the address, then go back to Binance and to Tranquilly, then I click on external. So we are not using internal wallet but external wallet. So I'll choose Binance. If you have Mexic, choose Mexic and paste the address for Mexic. Then I'll paste my address here, very nice, and review. So this reviewing means I check if everything is all right. So my capital is 100 USDTs. Market price, which is the price from Binance, is at a rate of 1.0, and the rate at Tranquilly is 1.07, and we have P2P fee of 2.41. So net profit is 5, and you can see here I'll receive 5 USDTs as my profit. So I'll be sent how many? Let's check out. Let's confirm the trade. And for those who fear that you can lose your profits, no way you can lose your profits, because there is a weapon called what is it called? Escrow wallet. There is a weapon called escrow wallet. You can click on learn more and you see funds locked instantly, fraud prevention, release on confirmation, dispute resolution, 30 minutes window. So that's how escrow works. So I haven't shown you on how escrow works. Now you can come, just click on learn more and you read the protection of escrow. You can see it is 100% secure. So let's wait our profits in our external wallet, that is Binance. Then we release our trade. Simple arbitrage trading. Simple arbitrage trading. Buy low in a centralized exchange and sell high in a decentralized exchange, and Tranquilly will be your best weapon to fight poverty. So in arbitrage trading external transfer, what you need to consider is check if you've been paid the correct amount. Like you can see mine, USDT, you have successfully deposited 105 USDTs. So that means my trade has been paid on. So my arbitrage trade has been paid on. You go to your Binance, you check here and you confirm your balance. You can refresh and check if it is the right one. So we've been paid, and I'll go and check here if the trade has been complete. So you'll see something like payment. Here I'm reading here, payment verified successfully. Please confirm you have received the funds in your external wallet, then release your assets. So after that, you can see mine took around 10 minutes. That is my arbitrage trade. Then I'll come and release the assets. So you'll get a notification your assets have been released to your wallet, and that's all about arbitrage trading, receiving in your external wallet. So there is no way you will withdraw this money. It is already in your external exchange. So what you do, you go to P2P. If you don't want to fund your Anquili again, you go to P2P, you sell. But if you want to fund your Anquili again, you can use the same funds. You fund your Anquili again and you make another trade. So I hope I'm clear with that. You can use the same funds sent to your Binance. You withdraw them back to Ranquili and you make another trade, and they will be paid to your Binance account. You get it? Make profits.